Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today we are going to check out how to play along the song Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. This song has a pretty nice groove and it uses some of the guitar percussive effects. So it may be intimidating for a beginner. Then I thought, let's give it a try. I tried to play it and with just downstrum and upstrum, that didn't sound so good. Then I checked some of the tutorials and I found somewhere they are using muted strums and finger picking. We don't know how to play muted strums till now, right? So I thought of adding my own flavor to that tutorial and I tried and it was sounding okayish. Okay, so I'll publish the play along separately because I get copyright claims when I publish the play alongs. Without further ado, let's jump in. First, I'll talk about the key of the song and the chords that it uses. So this song is in C sharp minor key, and so we are going to use a capo in this song. Okay, so because all the chords that are there in C sharp minor, we may not be able to play it. So we use a capo on 4th fret. Okay, and we transpose all our chords. And now what the chords we have to play is A minor, D minor, F major and G. Okay, so before I start with anything, I'll just make sure that my capo works perfectly and all my strings are sounding nice. Okay, ringing properly, ringing properly, ringing properly, ringing properly. Everything is ringing properly, right? So whenever you are trying to use a capo, make sure this one that every string is ringing properly, and also check this one. I have placed it just next to the fret, right? So if I just place it on top of fret like this one, so it will mute all the strings, right? Right, you are getting a muted kind of not that much nice ringing. Okay, now if I place it just little back like this, right? So now you'll hear every string ringing properly. See how the brightness of the song came into picture whenever I just placed it a little further back from the fret. Okay, and now we are playing A minor on this with the capo on, right? Capo on 4th fret. So 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret and 4th fret on, we are using capo on 4th fret, and then I'm playing the A minor. Okay, and for the first few attempts, playing chords with capo will feel a little difficult. I mean, it will feel a little different, but yeah, give it a try. So I'm playing A minor, okay, and now I'm playing D minor, okay, and then I'm playing F major, the staircase one, not the perfect staircase, but the staircase one, imperfect staircase, and then the G major, right? Okay, so that's how it goes. These are all the 4 chords, and the good part of the song is that it repeats its chord progression: A minor, D minor, F, G. It repeats. After every 2 beats, the chord changes. So now, how it? I'm just playing the chord changes now with a single down strum. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the chord progression is pretty simple, right? You have 4 chords, and throughout the whole song, this chord progression repeats. No change in that. Okay. Now the part where we are playing along, right? The groups and all. The the song actually goes like this, right? Okay, something like this. The groove of the song goes like this, goes, right? We won't be able to play all these things without a muted strum or some percussions. What I'll do is that, and yeah, it's a combination of finger picking and down strums and up strums. So what I do is I start with the bass string for A minor. When I am playing A minor, I am playing the bass string. In fact, all the three chords A minor, D minor and F, you can use the bass string, the bass A. And for G major, you can use the bass fifth string as your bass. And for all the other chords, you can use the sixth string as your bass. Okay. Now, why you can use this as bass string for A minor, D minor and F major, and why you can use only the fifth string as the bass string for G major? Give it a thought, right? I'm not going to answer it. This is your homework. If you figure out the answer, let me know in the comments. Okay, I have brought the camera closer to strumming hand, so you can see what I'm doing with my strumming hand, right? So I'm holding A minor chord, and the bass string now is the sixth string. So what I'll do is that I'll play the bass string once, right? And then I'll strum. So now it sounds like, and then it will complete with an up strum. Then the whole thing will sound like this. Okay, like the chord progression, the groove also repeats the same way. That's all about how to play the song Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Try it out. Let me know in the comments how it went for you.